animals on board. My truck chugs slowly down the road, carrying a special load. I'm the driver. My name is Jill. I make sure my load won't spill. A big green truck goes roaring past with 3 fierce tigers. Count them fast. Don't look now. Here comes 2 more. Add them up and they might roar. 6 white swans are passing by. They have wings, but they don't fly. Look out now, here comes another. Maybe it's their little brother. What's this funny thing I see? 4 green frogs passing me. My truck keeps moving. It doesn't stop. 4 more frogs pass. Hip hop, hip hop. 1 more truck is passing now. 7 prancing horses. Wow!
Hey!
Then another truck I see. This one holds another 3. The next truck holds a splendid sight. 9 plump pandas, black and white. A red truck passes me with care. What's in the back? Nothing's there. But on the front's a special sign. Time for me to get in line. At last I've reached my final stop. My truck held the tippy top. So now that all our work is done, it's finally time to have some fun. The end.